Good morning, everyone. Today is July the 15th, 10:58 a.m. In this brief demonstration, we will highlight the WizdomCRM AgriTech AI platform for businesses in the agriculture sector. Of course, as you could see on the dashboard, is just a brief overview of orders, performance management with sales, expenses, etc. How many people viewing that business storefront, right? Under stores, as you could see, it's very easy to set up. Store name, how you want to sell your product. Storefront, you could add your own images. Everyone get a website. Working hours, location, where this business is based. As you could see, we're still in development mode. But the most important part is the storefront overview. So this person, of course, their storefront will look like this by setting it up, and they could proceed with promoting their front end so that people could purchase their product. Under menu, very easy, where they could import their products directly from their dashboard so that it could reflect on the front end. No need for any development team there. Expenses report is pretty straightforward. Expense management, you could simply select that and add it in. The most notable part is the field management, where we use satellite imageries to help us with understanding not just where farmers' crops are based, but also the weather condition to help with climate change. This is still in development mode. We also have I should maybe be able to just do a quick demo here with let's do Trinidad and Tobago, right? Okay. Okay, let's see Trinidad. There we go. Still in development mode, still in the early stages. The idea is to create these circle maps where we could see where the crops are based, tap into satellite imagery. As you can see here, it's a basic developer GIST system we're using, API system, but of course, we should be able to make this more sophisticated like the WizdomCRM. Under weather, similar concept. The end user could simply use Google to provide us with forecast data on, let's say, I'm a farmer, done my farming today, and I would like to know what the weather condition look like. So this is still in the early stages here, okay? That's let's go on the notes, very important. So we're going to use the OpenAI GPT framework where it could detect from the satellite images. So let's say where this dot is, it could say, okay, AI will detect and say, listen, we found a snail. Of course, this is manually created, but in principle, snail was found, AI will give recommendation, but where we want to go with it is when we could do street view to see exactly where the crop is located and still draw a fence line around that crop. AI could provide that extra guidance to the end user, right? Weather, we would have touched on weather before, and that's it. So that is the brief overview. We're aiming to roll this out after the Global Export AI platform successfully landed in the market, and we're looking at 2026 for this initiative to support the CARICOM agricultural mandate so that we could help businesses in the agriculture sector. Thank you.